वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पटेल जमा चुके हैं 8th स्टैंडर्ड की ज्योग्राफी के साथ। और आज के हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है इंडस्ट्रीज। तो चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। विच फैक्टर अमॉन्ग्स्ट दोज मेंशन्ड बिलो डज नॉट directly impact industrial development area? Which of the following is a small industry? Sugar industry. Which of the following cities is not an IT sector? Old Delhi. An amount of 2% of profit has to be utilized for which purpose by industries? Responsibilities. Fill in the blanks. An economic activity that involves manufacturing of goods, excretions of minerals, of provision of services is called an industry. After the process of manufacturing, values is added to the raw material. The fruit processing industries is a medium of industries. An industry that uses huge machine of modern technology to manufacture production is called an heavy industry. The information technology industries has become one of the fastest growing industries in the world. Manufacturing refers to a large scale production of goods from raw material. Dairy industry is an example of cargo based industries. Industries that are located near the source of the raw material included the industries which use heavy and bulky raw materials. Small scale industries are labor intensive. Question number 3. Whether the following statements are true or false, correct the false statement and write in the given lines. And has an additive value, false. The finished product is useful and has an added value. Dense forests do not contribute in industrial development, true. India's first modern cotton textile mill was established in Jamshedpur, false. India's first modern iron and steel plant was established in Jamshedpur. Small and medium industries of the country are harmful to heavy industries, false. Small and medium industries of the country are useful to heavy industries. Bakery is an example of medium industries, false. Bakery is an example of small industries. Industrial is an indicator of the economic development of the country, true. The aim of Industrial Development Corporation is directorialize industrial, true. The growth of industries has resulted in small scale production of goods, false. The growth of industries has resulted in a large scale of goods. Industrial led to an considerable decline of the standard living, false. Industrials lead to a considerable improvement. Answer the following questions in 3 to 4 lines. Write your own words how industrial development impacts national development. Industrial development plays a vital role in economic development of a country. Industrial development increases the quality of goods and manufacturing raise in the national income and the standard of living of people, provides better job opportunities and promotes specialized skills labor. What are the faculties provided by the government to industrial estate? The government plays an important role in the development of industrial estate. The government not only makes rules of regardless, but it also influence the local of industrial estate to ensure the availability of water and electricity. The government offers subsidies and the country ensures to promote industrial in underdeveloped areas. Give your opinion in short on the unuseful of corporate social responsibilities. In it is very important that the industrial or the group of industries corporate in work in a way demonstrated social responsibilities. It is good practice to take into account social and environmental issues. The usefulness of corporate social responsibilities compress the provision of education and health faculties, the development of village and religion, and establish centers of people like environment development centers. It is moral obligation of the industries to provide this instead of merely expression of the government and the other NGOs will deal with them. Write detailed answers for to the following questions. Explain the factors affecting industrial development. The factors affecting the industrial development are the availability of raw material, land, water, labor, power, capacity, capital, transport and market. Industrial development takes place in the region where some or the all other factors are easily available. Sometimes in the government provides insensitive like subsidence, power, low transport cost and other infrastructure, so the industry may develop under the development areas. As both result to human beings and geographical factors affect industrial development. Considering India's population, the development of industries is a good solution to problem of unemployment. Example, India's population is large and growing. The large numbers of young people reflect a strong and growing working population. People contribute significant to diverse areas and sectors of economy including industrial sectors. India low cost skilled and unskilled labor has been an important factor responsible for industrial development. It has helped in the economic growth of the country. State the advantages of Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. Answer the advantages of the MIDC are the following. It provides sound infrastructure for the industries like electric power, affordable labor, means of transport. It helps in development of industries, parks, export zone, etc. It provides unemployment opportunities to the local people. The of state. Which type of industry can stem or the flow of people towards the urban? Where is it necessary to re-establish the industries? Answer, large scale industries such as iron and steel industry, cement industry, textile industry can stem the flow of people towards urban areas. These industries use large capital investment and large numbers of people are employed. People migrate from rural areas to urban areas. As more job opportunities are available in the large scale areas, it is necessary to establish these industries in back forward and rural areas for unformed uninformed growth. Which of the Navratnas industries of India, why do you think they have been recorded this status of Navratras? The Navratra industry of India are the industry that must qualify on the parameters such as the net worth, net profile, man cost, cost of production, capital. Few examples of Navratna industry and Bharat Electronics, Hindustan Autotronics, Oil, Oil India, and Ship Corporation of India, etc. In the year 1997, the government declared 9 public centers as Navratnas industries of India. They were greater autonomy and support of complete in the global market Currently, there are 17 companies having the status of नवरत्न इंडस्ट्री. तो आज के लिए बस नहीं हूँ. आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा, वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, और तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.